Hello dear viewers, today I am going to be showing you how to make an authentic pirate's treasure map. So the first thing you're going to want to do is draw the dang thing. And then tear off the edges of the paper to make it look more authentic. Next, we're going to add some coloration to the paper. I like to use an egg. And then I like to use some cherries. That's great! Then add 1 cup of Jell-O. Then do this. Then add some Italian seasoning for some flavor. And last but not least, add some bread. And then after you finish all my instructions, take out your amazing, beautiful masterpiece and look at it. Delicious.